A really easy way to create new projects in BuildBook is to do so from project templates. You can do that by creating a project like you normally would. So go ahead and click New Project either from your Projects tab or from your dashboard. In the dashboard, you can click the plus new button and hit project, and you can do this the same way. From here at the bottom, you'll see this template drop down, and this will give you a list of all of your existing projects. So some customers might actually have specific templates created that they use for, all of their single bath remodels or all of their new home builds, and they use that every time. Or maybe there's a specific selections template, anything like that you can use. So any existing project can be used as a template. So once you select a project, you then see a menu that lets you choose what options you want to copy over. So maybe you don't need to copy over files because the project you're copying from included some sensitive information from clients. And then you can also choose to change the start date of the project to, start today or whatever that start date is in the future. Then once you hit create, it'll carry all of that information over.